How are you all? Hope all are fine now. Yes, I know. Today you are happy because today is Friday. The 5 days of your homework class, online class, everything finished. 2 days weekend. Happy to enjoy the weekend. Correct, my children? No, don't do like that. Utilize these 2 days to complete your homework and go through the videos again and again what ma'am has told and complete the 1 week pending all the things tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay? Don't waste your time because it's a good news for you. Maybe the school will reopen for you. Okay, when we don't know, but in the news channels you are hearing now, so you have to prepare to come to school also. If the government says you have to come, we don't have any particulars, but all the over they are telling to open the school, so you may come to school. Not only for the, if you don't come to UKG also, you have to go to your new school. Okay? Yes, that's why be prepared with all your homeworks and all your writings, whatever I gave to you, because you need to submit that thing when I ask you for the correction. Okay? Yes, as usual, before starting our class, today we are going to learn something about good, healthy and junk foods. What is the healthy habits? Eating healthy food. Okay? It's in your part. Okay? EVS part. That is eating eating healthy foods. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? What do you mean by eating healthy foods? ನೀವು ಏನು ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. What is the healthy and junk food? What is the difference? ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, junk food ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, we will categorize. Okay? Healthy and junk. What is that? Healthy and junk? ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಸ್, ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ ದಿ essential contents which will help us in developing our body structures and also our brain development. The physical and cognitive development will increases, that is healthy. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್, ಪಪ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೇಕರಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್, ದ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾಸ್, ದ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಫ್ರೈಸ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬಜ್ಜೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೋಂಡಾಸ್ and all those things are called a junk food, right? ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಯೂಸೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ದ ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನಮಗೆ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಡ್ರೈನೆಸ್ನ ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯಿಲ್, ಗೀ, ಬಟರ್, ಚೀಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿನ್ನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಶುಗರ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸುಕ್ರೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಿನರಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟಲ್ಲಿ? ಕೊಕೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನ್ಗೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಶುಗರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ help in growing of the lot of germs in your what teeth. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೀವು ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಂಶ ತಿಂದಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಉಳಿಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದ junk food like chocolate. Okay, today one chart is there. Okay, you can see some food. Okay, just I will read what are the foods they are given here, then you will categorize which are junk and which are healthy. Like the first one is dry fruits. This is pista, almonds, peanuts, walnut, cashew nuts and raisins. Tomato soup, tea, coffee, milk, orange juice, mineral water, cola drink. Next is chocolates, biscuits, donuts, candy, bread and buns, sandwich, cheese, cake, fruit tart, cream roll, sundaes, ice creams. Okay, we have seen all this. I think most of all have eaten all these things except this coffee tea, right? Yes, except this coffee tea, you have tasted all the foods what I am showing in the chart. Now we will categorize which are good to you and which are healthy to you, and which are junk. You have to consume it very little. Okay, I'll keep the chart in the side. Healthy. First we will go to healthy food. What are those? Like dry fruits. Yes, no? So many children will not eat the dry fruit. I know that. But it is very healthy for you. Badam, it will increase your memory booster. You ನೋಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಟಿವಿಲು ತುಂಬಾ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಡೈಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ 2 ಬಾದಾಮ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜೈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ಪವರ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಓದ್ತೀರೋ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಬಾದಾಮಿ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ತುಂಬ ತಿಂಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ದಿನ 1/4 kg ಇಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟು ಹಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು. ಡೈಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ 4 to 5 ಬಾದಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಯೂ ನಟ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಯೂ ನಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೋಡಂಬಿ. ಗೋಡಂಬಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ನ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅದು ರೀಬೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಯೂ ನಟ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. 3 to 4 ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಯೂ ನಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಖರ್ಜೂರ. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿರೋ ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಖರ್ಜೂರ ಡೈಲಿ ಒಂದು ಖರ್ಜೂರ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಮೇಡಮು? 3 ಬಾದಾಮಿ, 4 to 5 ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಯೂ ನಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೋಡಂಬಿ, 1 ಖರ್ಜೂರ, ಮತ್ತು ಪಿಸ್ತಾ. ಪಿಸ್ತಾ that is also 5 to 6. It's a what foreign dry fruit. Okay, usually we were not using in the olden days, but it has the element of increasing the digestion power. Pista ನೀವು ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು digestion power increase ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So you can eat 5 to 6. Okay, then which one? Peanuts. ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಬೀಜ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಅದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ? ನಮ್ಮದು ರೈಸ್ ಐಟಮಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಈಟ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ, ಒಣ ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಐ ಪವರ್ ತುಂಬ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, so what I told you, take a mixture of all these dry fruits every day in one small bowl, like 4 raisins, 4 almonds, 4 cashew nuts, 1 dates andre ಖರ್ಜೂರ, and little pista. Okay, either you can eat it dry also. If you like to eat, you can mix it with milk and then you can have it, or you can make a salad, fruit salad, like mixed fruit, and you can mix this dry fruit and you can eat anything in any form you can eat, but you have to eat daily little. Okay, you don't know? Yes. Next one is the coffee and tea. Is this healthy or junk? Yes, correct. The milk is healthy, but coffee tea is like a one bad habit. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಾಫಿ ಮತ್ತು ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಯೋದು ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಿಮಗಿಂತ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೂಸ್ಟರ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೂಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೀ. You always prefer the milk with any your mixtures of the milk, okay, like Boost, Complan or anything, okay. Next we will move to juices. All the fruit juices, all the fruit juices are good to healthy food, okay. Fruit juices andre it should not be artificial, andre Maaza, Pepsi ಇದೆ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಕುಡಿತೀರಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್, ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಎ ಜಂಕ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ? ಎಸ್, yes, it's a junk. Why I am telling junk? I told you no. In the chocolate, milk will be there. Correct. Milk ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಜಂಪ್ಸ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೋಕಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಶುಗರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಈಟ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಮೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಜಂಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ತಿನ್ನಲೇಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. Quantity should be less, okay, the quantity should be less, okay. Next, biscuits. Biscuit also, what I am telling, that is a junk. Again I am telling junk andre ನೀವು ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, but it should be in the less quantity. ಅಂದ್ರೆ daily you have to eat 4 biscuit, 1 with the milk in the morning, 2 you can eat in the evening, with the milk you can eat 2 biscuits, okay, like that. Next is your bread and buns. Bread to junk food because that is prepared with the maida, ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಪವರ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್. We can take sandwich as a healthy food. Why sandwich is a healthy food? Because in the sandwich we will add some vegetables like onion, tomato, cabbage and all we will add, no, that's why sandwich is a healthy food. But bread is not healthy food, it's a junk food. Then we will go to cheese. Cheese is a healthy or junk, children? Yes, actually cheese is a healthy food. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಚೀಸ್, ಗೀ ಮತ್ತು ಬಟರ್, ಕರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಅಂಶನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಚೀಸ್ನ ಡೈಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಗೀ, ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಟ್ ಇಟ್ in a form of a curd. Andre curd idella milk product, but different forms of the milk, okay. Next is the cake. Again cake is a junk food. Why? Because they will be added with the cake ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, preservatives ನ add ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. You all know that pastries and all, why it is very tasty, because that is dipped in the ಶುಗರ್ ಸಿರಪಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಡಿಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಈಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮೇನ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್. ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಎ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆರ್ ಎ ಜಂಕ್. ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್ಡಾ ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್ಡಾ? think, okay. Ice cream is a healthy or junk? Yes, correct. Yes, it is a junk. The ice cream will come in the junk food. Why it is junk food? Again, same. For ice cream, they have to put some preservatives. Then they will keep it in a high degree to become a solid. The ice cream is made up of milk, that we know. For the milk, they will add some preservatives and they will make it should become solid ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀರಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅದು high degree ಫ್ರೀಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ in a freezer for a more time, obviously that is a junk food. Okay, because the bacteria will be there, so much of yeast will be there. Okay, yes. From this, what we understood, healthy and junk food. Junk food is nothing but it is also your favorite food, like pizza, burgers. All these are your favorite food, that I know. But junk food you have to eat or consume in a less quantity. Healthy foods like dry fruits, milk, fruit juices, sandwich, cheese, and also vegetables. Important thing, the fruits and vegetables, how much you want, you can consume. Either you can consume some fruits and some fruits, no, most of the fruits you can consume it what raw only. In the vegetables, most of the vegetables you can consume raw. In some vegetables you have to cook and eat, like bitter gourd, mushroom, this and all, pumpkin, this and all you have to cook and eat. Okay, the raw vegetables like beetroot, carrot, onions, that and all, capsicum, that and all you can eat it raw vegetable. Okay, but vegetables are good and all the fruits are good to your health. Okay, eat plenty of fruits, plenty of vegetables, plenty of dry fruits, milk, and the fruit juices and all, and use the curd. How much you want, you can use the curd. These all are healthy. Okay children, I think today you understood eating healthy foods, the concept. This is the one part in your EVS. Okay, I'm giving same thing the homework. Okay, in your interleaf book. Okay, in your interleaf book, stick the picture of 5 unhealthy and healthy food. Either you can stick it or you can draw by your free hand. Okay, that is also good. And try to write 5 points. Why? What is the difference between unhealthy and healthy food? Okay, write the 5 points for the difference between unhealthy or junk and healthy. Healthy ಮತ್ತೆ junk ಇರೋ difference ಏನು ಅಂತ 5 points you write in your own sentence. Make it very short. Okay? Understood? Yes. Now we are moving to our next concept, that is English. Okay, today I am going to reveal the blends of we learned no the blends of R. Today I am going to reveal the same thing. Okay, that is first one is BR. I write only two as an example, 2 or 3. Brain, bright. Okay, next is CR. Crab, crow. PR. Cries, pray. FR. Fry, fridge. Okay, next is GR. Green, grow. Then DR. Drink, drum. And the BR, CR, PR, FR, GR, DR and BR. In the BR, I have taken an example of brain and bride. In the CR, I have taken an example for crab and crow. PR, price and trade. FR, fry and fridge. GR, green and grow. DR, drink and rum. And the last one is TR, trees and tree. With these, we learned how we can make the sentences also. I made 2 or 3 sentences for your example, and I have given the homework for the same. You also did your own sentences for the all these R blends. Okay. And also, I hope you completed the homework in your phonic activity book. Okay. The today's homework is in your reading readiness book. Page number 33. What they are given? They are given read these words aloud. You have to do the same thing. You have to read the words aloud. Listen for the letter blend or combination of sounds at the beginning of the words. Okay. First you have to write your name, then the date. They are given some words there. Brain, crab, drum, frame, grain and pram and train. Look at the picture and write the appropriate R blend to complete the word, each word. Half a word they are given. First 2 letters you need to write. The blending of the first 2 letters you have to write. Okay. First you can I have taken one girl. She is showing her what plates. Okay, that is called a braid. Braid andre jadagi ನಾವು English ಅಲ್ಲಿ braid ಅಂತೀವಿ. You have to write only BR there. Only BR you have to write. Like that you have to complete the page number 33. Okay children, that you understood now. Now we will move to our next class, that is the maths. Till now we learned the comparison of the big and also the opposite of big is small. Yesterday we learned both the things, big, bigger, biggest and small, smaller, smallest. Correct no? The comparison of the big, bigger, biggest and small, smaller, smallest. Always the bigger will be the opposite of small. Okay? Yes. Now today we are learning a new concept, that is long, longer and next one is longest. Okay, long, longer, longest. What is that? I'll show you one example for this long, longer, longest. Okay, see, I'll take one pencil. Okay, one pencil. Next is okay, this is the next pencil what I written here. For your example I am showing. Okay, you can take anything you want. Okay, imagine that these are our pencils. Okay, can you see the difference of this pencil? Yes, this is in the small, this is little bit long, this is so long than the pencil. This I write it as A B C. Okay, A B C. A is small pencil, B is little bit long and the C is little bit long. More than long than A and B. Correct no? This is called a long, longer, longest. Long, longer, longest. I will write it A as a long. The pencil A is long. The pencil B is longer than the pencil A. Longer. Okay. There is no another pencil other than the C pencil. Andre C bitte nimge yavudu pencil ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. So C will be the longest pencil. Longest pencil. Okay. Longest pencil than A and B. A and B pencil ಗಿಂತ C pencil ತುಂಬಾ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಮನೇಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ನೀವು ಬೈಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಟು ದಟ್ the B object, I mean B pencil is longer than the A pencil. The pencil B is longer than the pencil A. Okay, like that the pencil C. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we have to compare with each other. The pencil C is longest than the pencil B. B ಗಿಂತ C pencil longest ಇದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ B ಮಾತ್ರ C ಎರಡೇ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅವಾಗ C would have become a longer. ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡೇ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮೂರನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನೋ? ಲಾಂಗ್, ಲಾಂಗರ್, ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್. ಲಾಂಗ್, ಲಾಂಗರ್, ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್. ಲಾಂಗ್ is a medium size, I mean one size, the first size. The longer will be always in the middle size. Okay, the C will be, I mean the last pencil is the longest. You try to understand this concept. You can take any examples that you want. You can take some sticks. You can keep the sticks which is small, I mean long, longer, longest, like that. Otherwise you three, you, your mother and your father can stand in a sequence. If you go to that, you will be in the longer. Next to you, always your mama will be in the longer, and your papa will be in the longest, because you can stand in a step by step. Correct? No? Yes. ನೀವು ಮನೇಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪಪ್ಪನ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವೇನಾಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ? ಅಮ್ಮಂಗಿಂತ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಂಗಿಂತ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So at home you will be long, your mother will be longer, and your father will be longest. Okay, like that you can take an example. Yes, understood children? Yes. Okay, there is no homework in your what in the maths. Okay, I am giving one worksheet one. Okay, that I will send to your WhatsApp. You have to take the printout of the same thing and you have to do that. What you have to do there? Circle the food that are healthy. You need to circle the food that are healthy. This worksheet relates to EVS. Okay, this homework is for EVS. EVS homework. Yes, with that I am giving another one homework for you. It's a fun homework. What is that? The three little pigs. That story is there. Learn the story. Okay, the three little pigs. You can learn the story using your what? YouTube or any Google search. That is a simple story. You need to learn, you read it, you convert that into your own language, not in the Kannada, in the English only, but you have to narrate with few lines. Andre ನೀವು ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇದೆ, more than 12 pages ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅನಿಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಸೊ ಪೇಜಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ will come to 2 to 3 pages. Okay, first you read that story or you hear that story. ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರನೇ ಅದನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. when we meet in a Zoom meet tomorrow, you have to tell me that story, the 3